plant owners. They are responsible for the reliable operation of the system. Let us introduce you to the world of modern scaffolding and show you what we can do for you. Whether it is a CAPEX project with capital expenditure on longer-term fixed assets, or an OPEX project to maintain a functioning operational business, every month, week, day, and hour that can be cut from the total project duration is of great value to you. By using PERI UP, you will minimize your construction time, avoid downtimes, and at the same time maximize the safety of employees. You can feel at home in the world of modern scaffolding with PERI products and services.